Gunther, just like you, I'm interested in bringing earthquake technology to the public. I'd like to know, how would you reply when an architect client comes to me and asks, why should we use GURB system over all the others?
As we have already explained the technical differences and advantages, I would say for 3 reasons. First, because of a progressive high German technology that gives us, in our opinion, a certain superiority over other systems. Second, to provide security for life and possessions, a measure of control. To safeguard not only a building, but also its precious contents, antiques, paintings, wines, any irreplaceable items. And third, I would say the longevity of use of our system worldwide in most different applications. It is really a tried and tested combination of technology and security for earthquake resistive design. We are still the best at GURB.